All right, so let's try out helping. I want to help. So if you're struggling with ED, ED means eating disorder. I'm just gonna go down the list of what it means to be ED and just take it from there. Okay. Okay. So ED, a eating disorder. Eating disorders are actually serious and often fatal illnesses that are associated with severe disturbance in people's eating behaviors and related thoughts and emotions. Preoccupation, preoc, preoc, preoccupation with food, body weight, and shape may also signal an eating disorder. So, preoccupation, sorry, that word gathered me. But overall, it's something serious. It's like actually considered a mental illness, they say, if you have an eating disorder. And there's surprisingly like a lot of categories and stuff. All right, let's continue. There are like numbers of characteristics in an eating disorder, so that's like. But here's a general one that like we all suffer from probably, but poor concentration, obsession with a healthy or possibly a healthy diet. So if you're like a food junkie and just like completely obsessed with it, increase focus on what they're eating or may interfere with other areas of the person's life, such as their relationship or work. So that means that you're just thinking about it like constantly, like making it like run your life, like oh I can't eat there or I can't do this because of that, like or I feel tired because I don't know, whatever. Feelings of anxiety, guilt, uncleanliness over eating foods they regard as unhealthy. So you're just beating yourself up all the time, just like this is terrible, and also low mood or depression, like weight loss, feeling weaker, tiredness, taking a long time to recover from illnesses, feeling cold or low energy. So, pretty much like feeling fatigue and like pooped and tired all the time. Um, yeah, so I've definitely struggled with this before. It's not the best feeling, especially when I was younger, and it really made me self conscious, like trying different products over the counter. Like back in the day when I was a kid in high school, we had the first influencer type chick named, oh, I forgot her. I already forgot her name, but Anna Nicole Smith, and then she got endorsed after like she fell off. She came back. She was a reality TV star actually, and then she got is endorsed by this product called Slim Fast. I believe it was like a little, probably like a 5 hour energy drink type of thing now. But they really sold it like, oh, appetite repressant, you could take this and all that stuff. So I was like trying that stuff, even a kid in high school. So like, definitely the deeper thing in that is like, I think I was like trying to fit in. So like being a traveling kid, like always moving, it was me just like fitting into the new crowd and just trying out new stuff, or just feeling like, oh, I need to look a certain way to be cool, kind of thing. Like, that was definitely a thing. Um, okay. And I want to go into the first, the first eating disorder that there is. So stay tuned.